The two biggest challenges for car workshops today are increasing numbers of brands and models and the complexity of vehicle systems. How do we keep pace with all this? We don't have to, because ESI tronic software from Bosch does it for us. Whatever the brand and model, ESI tronic has everything we need to know and guides us with experience-based repair. A repair that's already been tried and tested successfully. Now we can solve even the trickiest problems. That's what we call service from A to Z. A new model? No problem. The software is automatically updated online. It's not a problem. Thanks to easy operation and the right up-to-date information right at our fingertips. We manage more vehicles in much less time, which helps us provide the best service for our customers. ESI tronic gives us everything we need to know.